color? I will give you this, the cover of your book. And then you will write, God made, so that when you open it, it's going to look like this. Wow. Come on. Get good.
Joshua, you're done?
This is the finished product.
Okay.
It's an accordion book.
Okay, you can give yours. Joshua,
And then you can show it to your friends.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay, teacher, Joshua.
And then you tell your friends, you know that God made night and day, the sun and moon and stars.
Wow. Okay, we need a cover. Joshua, come. Come here, come here. We'll stick this cover, okay? So that this is your book then. Okay, like this. Like this, right?
Hey, give. Stick this at the back. And then, God made.
And you have more tricks, Teacher Pia?